How to add a newsletter sign up to WordPress website. If you want your WordPress website viewers or visitors to be able to sign up for your newsletter and you do not have any idea or tool on how you can do so within your WordPress website, well, the answer to that is actually quite simple. First of all, you log into your WordPress dashboard and we're going to use a plugin to do this. For that, on the bottom left, go to plugins. And once you go to plugins, in the search bar, you want to simply type in newsletter and search for a newsletter plugin. There will be many ones like MailQuote News Pack, but the ones we want is Newsletter by Stefano Lisa. Well, because this actually has quite a good rating, as you can see, and it is free by the way, but it will require for your WordPress account to have a plan upgrade. So simply select the WordPress particular plugin of newsletter, hit the activate button. Once you've activated, on the left hand side you will see that newsletter plugin. When you go there, you will be able to customize all of your details like the email that you received and so on. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically sign up for newsletter within your WordPress website and make visitors sign up for it as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.